Alright, what's up guys? So I was gonna do an unboxing of my stuff once I got here. So this is what this is. As you can see, here's my box stuff. I forgot to put a battery for this order right here, so I did order another thing the same day, and this was the battery. Unfortunately, as you can see, there's no battery inside, and I didn't take it out. Apparently, if you can read right there, it was already opened, and whatever was in here was taken out. So I contacted support about it, and I let them know what was up. So hopefully I'll get a replacement on that. I know most people have terrible knives when doing these things, so I have my little knife here, which hopefully, I don't know how sharp it is. Okay, let's see. There's rattling in there, which worries me because I'm afraid they messed up my stuff again. And if they did, you guys can laugh at me. Yeah, there's stuff. There's styrofoam in here. There's BBs. So I don't know what that's all about. But we're gonna find out. There's some styrofoam. BBs everywhere. Oh god. Okay. Oh geez. Well, fantastic. There's a hole in my bag here, so I'm not happy. And there's random styrofoam everywhere. That's cool, I got a gun. This is one of their free guns, I don't know how well it is, we'll find out. My packing slip. Yep, packing slip. BBs everywhere, which I will also be complaining about, as it is their fault. Smart charger. Jeez. One mag, got some mags, so there's 1, 2, 3 mags total. These are all high cap. Here is I ordered a flashlight because, you know, it gets dark at night, and on my way to the bathroom I'll have something to light it up. Yeah, BBs everywhere. This is my vest. Right here, vest. Brown box. I think this is my scope for my gun. This is a speed loader. Someone recommended I get this. I don't know why. I don't have any low cap mechs, but got a speed loader. And my helmet. Look on the back. Looks pretty sweet. Finally, yeah, BBs everywhere. I will be contacting support once more, just so they know that they suck at packing. My gun. Look at that. It's pretty. Looks like I got the right one. Ooh, high muzzle velocity version. It says Merry Christmas on the box. Special gift. Someone is trying to call me and I don't know where my phone is at. I'm sorry, this is a terrible unboxing. I'm a little bit sick. Looking for my phone at the same time. Let's put that out of the way. So, let's do an overview really quick. I got universal charger. Sweet. No battery, of course, so I'll probably be borrowing a battery. Hopefully you guys can provide me with one. A free gun. They gave this to me. I did not purchase this. It was free. I could probably use it. I don't know. It's a free gun. Free speed. 3 high cap mags. Speed loader. Flashlight. And let's go. Last thing was this thing, which is my vest, which you'll be seeing at Hera if you're going, which I will be attending. I don't have any BDUs to wear, so I'll probably just put on some jeans or something, and that's about it. Other than that, I know a lot of you guys were helping me trying to figure out stuff that, that, you know, like what I should get, you know, what would be bad. Some major people helping me out was, Dave. I know Stray was one of them. Knight. I haven't met Knight, but he seems like a pretty cool guy, so hopefully I get to meet him. Yeah, there's a lot of people. And, yeah, so that's about it. Last thing, here's all my BBs. I'm really pissed off. They better give me some free crap now, because there's 2 things they messed up too. Hopefully, I guess I can use these, but hopefully you guys will, give me some, maybe. You know, these are should be, .25s, .20s will work. I don't know. I'm sick, by the way. Kind of sort of getting over my sickness. Yeah. Keep finding. Guess this goes to the speed loader. It was already open for some reason too. So I guess that's where that goes. Alright, thanks for watching, and see you later.